Mike here, Sky Include, again going through the Learn HNS upgrade of all the decentralized open source tools that I could find in the Handshake ecosystem to pump some energy back into y'all. And I know it's been rough with Namebase shut down and freeze, and I know a lot of you are hurting bad, myself included. Myself included. So I took it out and built stuff and improved stuff. So you can too, and I encourage you to at least try to check out a few of these tools that we've made. Pop into the groups and let us know. I'm gonna go through the Chrome extension next, and in this one, I already have it installed, but I will show you. You can click on the Learn HNS 2026 Chrome extension. There is a more stable one, older one, Shake Wallet. I don't know what happened to the original Bob Wallet one. Bob Wallet created it. I don't know what happened to the listing. For now, we are still pending in the Chrome extensions store in my other screen, but I'd rather not show personal information. It's still not available, but I know some of you have already gotten install it. You can click download zip. It will be a zip file. I know it's not as ideal. You go into extensions. Yeah, I mean, 1 second. Yeah, it wasn't my, there is directions. But yeah, I have it here. You go into extensions, Chrome extensions. So let's just Chrome / extensions, enter, and you can see it here. You do have to do developer mode, and then you would have to load unpacked, which would unzip the file and then load it here. And I have directions, okay? I do have directions. You can read the directions, right? Download it, unzip it, open Chrome, turn on developer mode, load unpacked, load it, and then you're done. All right? It's a small thing. It's like 10 megs. So I've already done that. You'll make a wallet or restore a wallet. Okay, I don't want to show you my password, so I will move this for 1 second. You can look at my Fiji Beach here. Switched it. So you will create a wallet or restore a wallet. One thing to keep in mind, it doesn't give you like all of your wallets, whereas in like the Bob desktop, you can see all of your wallets. Okay, I hope it's... All right, so we're logged in. So, not that much off from, say, MetaMask. It will scan. If for some reason it doesn't, like I put a manual rescan button, and you can see the names we got here, right? Some names. And so there's a few updates done on this. I did add the rescan button. There's settings. I cleaned up some things. I made it a little bit easier to use. But the more noticeable ones is you can click on Colin, and you can see you have a text record. You can add a record in these different choices, name server, DS, glue. Text is, of course, the easiest. You can use that for hns.bio, and you can add it. And then you actually mine on the chain to put that on chain. You have on-chain record, which is amazing, right? Simple but amazing. Finalize domain. You can see here, future is cool, pretty cool one. I'm doing lots of testing, so moving stuff around, buying and selling stuff. So you can see update a record. Click it, it will go to Shake Shift, and you can see that record here. Pretty cool, huh? I mean, I don't know. I think this is an amazing technology. All right, so you have your records here, right, in your Bob Wallet, Learn HNS Wallet, which is a fork of Shake Wallet. And then the market. So I added ShakeDex inside. That's another one. This is still pending. You can filter by active only and see 5 law. You can buy it. I don't know if... I could do it. I could do it if you want. But, might as well. So I'm buying it. Isn't this really amazing? I can't believe... So paying 45 HNS to the seller with that fee, and that's going to be debited. Confirm. All right, sorry, you're not going to see my password. And it's done. It disappeared before I could show you the confirmation, but it gave me the Shake Shift wallet. It's going to take a second to show up here. But it should show up. I'll save for another video, but you'll see. You should show up in the sold tab, even though it's not fully. Yeah, 5 law. And this is the one I did in a previous video. And there's quite a few others. Thank you for those transacting, buying, and selling. There's really amazing. This will be a separate video. This is the web-based. Okay, back to the wallet. I actually tried to not make it do that, but Chrome rejected my application for saving the password on persistence or something. Okay. See how I spent that 45. It's not going to show there. It will show here once it mines, but it's gone, right? It is gone. It is sold. Now there's only this a-hole. And you can see them. I think this is amazing. I haven't built the sell side, but the sell side I don't think is really practical or possible to do in a Chrome. If you want to sell names, you got to use either the website or CLI or Bob Wallet desktop. I was thinking about, I don't think it's that practical to let you create proofs and generate and then on a Chrome extension. Also, HNS Broker got this to work on Brave. I also tested it when he saw it works on Brave. But essentially, that's kind of it. I changed the logo, of course, cleaned it up. Have a rescan button if you feel like it's stuck. Sometimes on the domains, refresh. Or maybe I could do it right now for password. Maybe that will help you refresh your transaction history, your domain records. I've noticed that's helped. But yeah, I tried to not make it need to be relogged in, but the Chrome extension rejected it when it did that. All right, well, that's it. Simple one. You have your on-chain records you can do here, which is, I think, amazing. HNS Broker gave that feedback, and we did it. I can't believe it. It's so amazing. And you can also do the market for buy side. And then, of course, your activity, rescan. I like the logo. And that's it. Thank you. Just another decentralized way to use Handshake. And the idea is, I think there's some decentralized exchanges coming, like Rosenbridge, I've heard, and some others. You can use this there. Essentially, it's kind of like the MetaMask for the Handshake ecosystem. Thank you.